So, do you have any parasocial with celebrity or known person?
Yes, I really like Donnie Pangilinan.
Opo, meron po. Marami. PM, Cup of Joes, Adi, and Ben and Ben. Tapos sa K-pop group, 17, BTS, and Once.
Si Lee Jong-suk. Lee Jong-suk, yung Korean actor.
Yes. Donnie stand out to you?
Kasi magaling siyang umarte, damang-daman niya yung character niya, and then, pogi siya! Sobrang pogi na, no? Oh my God.
Other than being a great artist, a great actor, I really like his standing on his morals, especially his political moral mindset talaga. Kasi as we know, Donnie has really great morals. No? Ina-advocate niya yung for great political views, parang improvement on our political culture. So I think, idolizing Donnie really opened my mind to improve my morals as well as my to look at political things more, to pay attention more on political happenings in our country.
Ito, ni Lee Jong-suk sa inyo, sa buhay niyo.
Songs nila, na parang na-express ko yung nararamdaman ko. Parang ayun yung nagiging way na ma-express ko yung nararamdaman ko. And ayun din yung nagbibigay motivation para sa akin.
Natatanggal yung stress ko, yung pagod ko, pag nakikita ko
Pag
siya.
napapanood mo
Yes,
siya.
pag napapanood ko
Sobrang
siya sa
stress mo,
Netflix.
tapos
Yes.
pinapanood mo siya. So
Oo.
yun yung parasocial relationship mo sa
Yes,
kanya. So
yes.
parang nare-relieve niya yung stress mo pag pinapanood mo siya.
Yes.
Wow.
Sa akin naman, positive impact siya kasi alam naman natin na yung politics is really important on our daily life. And the influence of Donnie to me to pay attention more on what's happening in our country is really a positive impact. And I hope na mas maraming people pa yung ma-encourage ng mga people like Donnie, like influencers or other media celebrities na mag-pay attention sa mga happenings sa bansa nga natin.
Much ma'am, thank you sa pagpaparticipate.
Thank you.